Hey guys, in front of you is set number 4895. It came out in 2006. It retailed for $50. I got it back in '06, and it's been on the shelf for a long time. That's why there's dust on the pieces. So I'm thinking about rebuilding it slash cleaning it. I mean, there's pieces missing. These has to be on the bottom of the plane. This doesn't move anymore, so I gotta clean that. Put some new batteries in it if I can. This piece is missing right here too. A 1x4 flat tire. I'm missing. I'm missing two more of these chrome spikes. I'm missing a piece that goes right here, and I'm missing. I think this piece is supposed to go right here, and there's supposed to be a flat tile on the top, and the wing is, it's not built right. So the first thing I'm gonna do is break down every pieces. I'm gonna break down the whole set, then clean the pieces, and after that I'm gonna look on the internet and rebuild it. And while I'm building it, if I don't find a piece, I'm gonna look for it. So let's go to the cleaning process. I remember back when I got this set, I used to make the other two models because I wanted to. They look cool, but I never did because they were so hard. The bricks were so hard to take apart. There's over 600 pieces, so during that time I was only 7, so I couldn't do it. But nowadays you can get brick separators, so they're much easier to take apart the bricks. It helped me a lot when I was taking apart the pieces. So these are the pieces, mostly all the pieces. These all the pieces I can't put in. This is these pieces are electric, and these pieces there's springs in it. I don't want to get them. I don't want to get them rusted up. So now I'm gonna clean this. So here's the outcome. Every piece is clean. It's all dried up now. So now I'm going to open this and put new batteries in it. So I took out the old batteries and put new ones in, but after that I tested it, but it didn't work. So I think the rust killed this. I think I think it's broken. So well, that's sad, but oh well. I'm just gonna build a set. So keep on watching. So here's the outcome. It looks great. I'm just missing that piece right here, and a piece right here. The thing that is really disappointing is it doesn't move. The battery is broken. Because the battery has been in here for 7 years and it kind of rusted and broken, so I might get a new one. I don't know. They kind of cost a lot. This piece right here has been only in 2 sets. This set and another set. As you can see, there's no dust. It looks new to me. It's a really nice set. I guess you could call it minifig friendly, I guess. I remember I got this at Myers. It was a BOGO. It was like buy one get one 50% off. That's how I got this back in 2006 during Christmas time. I might make a review on this. I don't know. Well, now that's it. So I'll be posting more videos.